Hello children. Children, now we are going to start with the first term syllabus of English 1, that is English language. So take out your English 1 copies. Take out a new page. On a new page you can write there on the top first term. Write first term on the top of that new page. Then leave that page. Take out a new page. Now on this page, write the date on the left side of the margin. Write essay on the first line. On the second line, write the name of the essay, that is my favorite game. The spelling of favorite are F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Better write it in neat handwriting, children. Again and again I am reminding you that you better write in neat handwriting. Now let's start with this essay. Children, in the first line you have to leave little space over here and then you have to start. Games play an important role in one's life. Full stop. They keep our body and mind fit and active. Full stop. Now we will start with another paragraph. Again you have to leave little space over here. There are many games played in our country like cricket, tennis, football, etc. Full stop. But my favorite game is badminton. Full stop. Then again we will start with the third paragraph. Again leave little space over here and then start that paragraph. I play badminton with my sister every day. Children, here in place of sister you can write brother also. So you write here, I play badminton with my sister every day. Full stop. It is a very easy game which is played with the racket and a shuttlecock. Spelling of racket are R-A-C-K-E-T and shuttle S-H-U-T-T-L-E. Cock C-O-C-K. Full stop. Then again we will start with a new paragraph. Then leave little space over here. Playing this game keeps my body fit. Full stop. Thus, playing games is important for living a healthy life. So this was all there regarding this essay. I will show you the essay once again. Just write it in very neat handwriting and don't make any mistakes in spellings or punctuation marks. Now children, let's start with another essay. On the new page again, write the date on the left side of the margin. Write essay on the first line. Then write name of the essay, My Mother, on the second line. Now again let's start. Leave little space before beginning this new paragraph. My mother's name is, here I have just put a dash. Here you will write your mother's name. Children, all of you will write here your mother's name. That's why I have left over here blank. But you people will not leave this place blank. You will write your mother's name here. Understood? And when you will write your mother's name, the first letter of the name should be capital. The first letter of the name should be capital. My mother's name is dash, full stop. She is a homemaker, full stop. She works very hard and takes care of all the members of my family. Full stop. She cooks delicious meals for all of us. Spelling of delicious are D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. After us you will put a full stop. Now we will start with second paragraph. Here you leave some space. Then, my mother always helps me in my studies. Full stop. She always guides me to follow the right path of life. Full stop. She always motivates me to work hard. Full stop. Then we will start with the new paragraph again. Leave little space over here. She is my best friend. Full stop. I pray to God to bless my mother with good health and a happy life. Full stop. So this was all there regarding this essay. I will show you the essay, this essay once again. Just go through this essay and write it in very neat handwriting and without making any mistake. Now children, we will start with the application. On a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin. Then write application on the first line. Then write the question, write an application to the principal for sick leave. Full stop. On the new line, start writing. Now children, as you can see, wherever I have used capital letters, better write capital letters only. Be careful regarding the punctuation marks and regarding the capital letters. The principal, the T capital, principal P capital, Principal, principal. Christ the King Convent School, Christ C capital, King K capital, Convent C capital and School S capital. Then Sujanpur. On the next line write Sujanpur. Sujanpur S capital. Again on the next line write the date, like today is 12th July 2021. Then on the next line write subject, sick leave. On the next line write Reverend Sister, Reverend R capital, Reverend, Reverend Sister S capital, Sister. Then put a comma over there after sister. On the next line write, with due respect, comma, I want to inform you that I am suffering from fever since last night. Full stop. So I request you to grant me leave for 2 days. Full stop. Thanking you. Next line you will write yours truly, comma. On the next line children, here I have left blank because here you will write your name. What you will write? You will write here your name. Then on the next line you will write your class, that is third. And here again I have left blank because here all the children will write their section. If your section is A, you will write here A. If your section is B, you will write B. If your section is C, you will write C. And if your section is D, you will write D. So here you will write your section. Above that, after yours truly on the next line, you will write your name here. After writing your name, next line you will write the class and the section here. So children, I will show you this application once again. Once again, I am telling you children, be careful while writing this application and be careful wherever punctuation marks or wherever capital letters have been used, write in the same way. So children, this was all there regarding English 1 today. Thank you.